Guys, this guy right here, this rose water guy, you guys see my skin though? Can you guys let me come really close? Can you see? It's that good. Yeah, you want to be generous with the rose water. It's another hair video today, and today I am going to be showing you something. Yes, this guy right here, rose water. Like, rose water is very, very good for your hair. Like, it's amazing for the hair. Not just for the hair alone, it's also amazing for your skin. Guys, my skin has been skinning, and all thanks to rose water. Like, rose water, I've been sleeping on this thing. I've just been using it on my hair alone. I didn't know that rose water has amazing benefits for the skin also. I was able to do my research and I found out that I have been sleeping on rose water. So I'm here to share with you guys the amazing benefits of rose water and how rose water has been so amazing for my skin. And if you are having similar issues as me, lay your hands on rose water. Trust me, you're not going to regret it. Welcome back everyone. To my returning subscribers, hi, welcome. To my new subscribers, hi, welcome. And to those who are going to stumble on this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. Please don't make this your last. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel. On this channel, we keep it real, we keep it simple, we keep it as it is. Trust me, you are going to love it here. So you guys, rose water has amazing benefits, hair benefits, skin benefits. If you're experiencing dandruff, like dandruff, trust me, you want to lay your hands on rose water. All you need to do is just to section your hair into parts, which I'm going to be doing shortly. You just put it in a spray bottle. Just get a spray bottle, yeah, and spray it all over your hair. Massage it thoroughly into your hair. You guys, in less than 5 minutes, you see the dandruff like pulling off. So good for dandruff. If you're also experiencing itchy scalp, maybe your scalp is always dry, spray rose water on your hair. Trust me, immediately the itchiness is going to stop. Like, it's going to stop. Rose water is very, very amazing. It's that good. If your hair is always very flaky and dry, you want to also make sure to use rose water to spray on your hair. It's going to revive your hair. It's going to give your hair that very beautiful and lovely shine. And it's also natural, so you want to incorporate this in your hair routine. For the skin, it's amazing for the skin. You know that kind of acne that scratches, like that kind of acne that makes you feel very uncomfortable, that scratches you. Once you experience that kind of acne, all you need to do is just to get a spray bottle also, turn in your rose water and just spray it all over your face. You guys, the feeling you are going to feel on your face, you're going to be really, really happy about it. Rose water is that good. It's good for acne. Also use it to remove makeup on your face. It's that good. People also use it as toner. Yeah, for face toner. People use rose water as face toner. So if you run out of face toner or you want to maybe try out a new face toner, maybe you should consider trying rose water. Rose water is a great acne fighter. If you notice you have acne on your face, you want to consider using rose water. Maybe you've tried a lot of things and it's not working. Use rose water on your face. Trust me, it's going to do magic. I have my water bottle here. I am going to just pour some rose water inside my water bottle, just like this. And you want to store your rose water inside the refrigerator because you want it to always be in a cool and dry place. So it's best advised to store your rose water inside a refrigerator. So once I put this into my water bottle, I'll just spray it all over my hair. You guys, the feeling on my hair is so cool and amazing. You want to spray it all over your hair. You also would want to like section your hair like so. Even if you can see, I'm also spraying it all over my face, not just on my hair, also on my face. Can you guys see that? Can you see where it is on my face? You guys, can you see? So right now my hair is in sections. I did this so that the rose water can go into my hair and penetrate into my hair and my scalp properly. So you want to do this so that you would have a lot of rose water go into your hair, not just your hair, into your scalp, like the roots of your hair. So you see, and also not forgetting your face. Rose water is that good. And if you're experiencing eczema, really dried skin, dried, itchy, flaky skin, you've tried everything, is not working, please try using rose water. You can't go wrong with rose water. Rose water is natural. The ingredients in here is natural. So if you've used everything and it's not working for you, please make sure to lay your hands on rose water. It's very affordable. I got this for 2,000 naira. So it's really very affordable. You can see, can you guys see this? Can you guys see? So usually once I'm done with this, I make sure to go in, really in with the rose water. Once I'm done with this, I go in with my hair grease. I just lock it in with my hair grease, which I'm going to also be showing you guys how I do it. You want to be generous with the rose water. Not forgetting your edges, the back of your hair, the tips also, every part of your hair, every part of your hair. From the back of your hair to the edges of your hair to the tips of your hair. Just be generous with the rose water. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to massage it into my hair using my finger, just like so. So once I'm done, I'm going to get my hair grease. You guys, I've been using hair grease on my hair lately. Trust me, I've been loving it. So I get my hair grease and then go in with my hair grease. If your hair is always breaking, like especially for us natural hair queens, if you notice that your hair is always breaking anytime you go to the salon or anytime you are loosening your hair, you notice that you have a lot of hair falling off your head, what you are going to do is, before you loosen your hair, please go in with rose water. Just spray rose water. You can mix it with your normal water in your spray bottle, spray it all over your hair, and then get your hair grease, your hair cream, any hair cream you use, and then rub it on your hair. That is going to help to control or reduce the rate at which your hair breaks. Yeah, I hope you find this video useful and helpful. Please share this video to your friends, to your family, to your neighbors, to your loved ones, so they will also see and know the amazing benefits of rose water. Rose water has great and amazing benefits. You want to include this to your hair routine and your skin routine as well, because this is just too amazing. It's very, very amazing. So once I'm done with the hair grease, I'll also go in with more rose water. Just spray it around my hair. You don't have to worry about it touching your body. Yeah, Can see it's that good. Yeah. So that's it, guys. We've come to the end of today's video. Please do well to like this video, share, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye.